Namaste. This is Pandit Sivaprasad Tata bringing you Vedic Astrology lesson number 7. Here we will be talking about the zodiac sign Mesha Rasi dominant people and their looks, qualities, likes, dislikes, etc. etc. Aries or Mesha Rasi people are signified by the cases where a person has his lagna or the ascendant is Aries or Rasi or moon sign is Aries or the sun sign is Aries. They will have Arian qualities. People born in this Mars-ruled fire sign are of medium height, slim and wiry built usually, with a rough and medium complexion. They have a long neck and the head is always held forward from the body. The eyebrows are thick and bushy and bend and meet, forming the sign of a ram, by which Aries is signified. Normally, there is a reddish or brownish tint to the hair and there is a mark or a mole on the forehead. They invariably use their head by nodding and shaking quite a bit when they talk. The features are sharp and normally the hair is slightly wavy. By nature, the Arians are adventurous, ambitious, bold, impulsive, and independent by nature. Aries is the first sign of the zodiac and the proverbial infant who makes a racket till he gets what he wants. They are quick-tempered and they blow a fuse when they get angry, but they cool down quite fast and they don't hold a grudge on you. They like doing things their own way and they don't like people interfering in their affairs. They love a challenge and get provoked easily. They're quite intelligent people and are full of original ideas. They are somewhat stubborn and obstinate by nature also. And even after a defeat, they keep making repeated attempts. They don't give up easily till they are convinced that they are wrong. They love a challenge and variety in life. Their pattern of life is usually a mixture of extremes of laziness and overactivity. They invariably take interest in sports, war and martial arts, etc. They like climbing hills also. They have a good sense of humor. There is no middle path for the Arians. They like something or they don't like somebody. The Arians tend to be somewhat flashy and flamboyant in their dressing. They have a sense of vanity. They're extremely conscious of their head and hairstyle. And normally an Arian combs his hair several times in a day and examines it in a mirror several angles. These are some of the famous Arians. Sachin Tendulkar here. He was born in the horoscope. If you see his horoscope, he was born with his sun in Aries, where it is exalted. Okay, you can see bushy eyebrows, eyebrows meeting here, coming down and meeting, right? They form the sign of a ram, as you call it. Okay, now you can see here his head is not straight, it is held a little ahead of his body. Same thing with Prince Charles also here. Bushy eyebrows forming a ram sign here. Of course, his hair is now all white, but it had a reddish tinge, slightly brownish tinge at one time. And look at how his head is held forward. It is not straight. Arians always have their head held forward a bit. Famous Western astrologer Linda Goodman is this one. You might have read her book, Love Signs of the Zodiac, or The Signs of the Zodiac also, fantastic book by any standards. Again, you see, eyebrows meeting. Oh, well, they are not bushy because these ladies trim them. Okay. And again, head held forward. Now, I am born in Mesha Lagna, and I don't know to what extent you can see in this picture here. You can see that there is a brownish tinge to my hair also, and there is a black mole on my forehead, bushy eyebrows meeting here. I also have my head held forward, and I also use my head quite a bit by nodding, etc., etc. In case of Prince Charles, his moon is in Aries. Okay. In case of Linda Goodman, again, sun sign is Aries. In profession and finance, Arians shine very well in any profession requiring originality, confidence, adventure, etc. They love a challenge. So a challenging job is what they want. So army, police services, engineering, computers, sports-related professions, mountaineering, etc. suit them very well, and they do make a lot of money, but they spend impulsively and spend quite a lot of it. In love and domestic life and marriage, they're romantic by nature, and the opposite sex always attracts them. Usually their partners like them because of their adventurous nature, and they're just for life and fun and for variety also. Normally, they are very loving and caring partners and parents. However, they tend to be a little dominating by nature also. That's the downside. Arians are attracted through and get along well with people born under the sign Gemini, Leo, Libra, Sagittarius, and Aquarius, whether sun sign, moon sign, or Lagna. Health-wise, Arians are normally prone to head injuries and headaches, backaches, a little bit of blood disorders, and high BP related problems also. So that's all in this lesson. Next one will be about Taurus. Namaste. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. You can visit my website www.astrojyoti.com and enjoy many of its unique features and useful astrological information like this. It is the only website in the world where you can listen to all the 4 Vedas online for free. You can read 18 major scriptures of Vedic astrology online and many articles on astrology, plus 200 Vedic scriptures also. You can also listen to 150 famous Vedic stotras in MP3 sung by the best artists of India. You can use a very accurate and informative Panchanga, which is there on the site. Several free lessons to understand the basics of astrology are there. You can order your horoscope reading by expert astrologers. We also offer a 1-year course, which is an interactive astrology course taught live online in a virtual classroom of WebEx. You can also contact me by email at sptata@astrojyoti.com or phone my mobile numbers given here. And I hope if you enjoyed my presentation, you will like and share my website. Click on the subscribe button, which is the bell icon like this at the bottom of this video, so that you will be notified when the new lessons are uploaded. If you like this video, please click on the like button. You can share it on your social media like Facebook or Twitter, etc., so that your contacts can enjoy it.